Hi. Welcome back to How Tech, where we make technology easy to understand, no matter your age or experience. Today we're going to talk about something we all use every day, but many people still find confusing. The web browser. What is it exactly? And do you really need more than one? Let's start with the basics. A browser, or web browser, is simply the program you use to access the internet. It's how you check your email, search Google, watch YouTube, shop online, or read the news. If the internet is like a giant library, the browser is the tool you use to walk in, search the shelves, and find what you need. Some of the most common browsers are Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. If you've ever clicked on a little compass, colorful circle, or blue letter E on your computer or phone, you've used a browser. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. Many people think that the browser is the internet itself. For example, they might say, I use Google to get on the internet, but Google is actually a search engine, not a browser. The browser is the program you open. The search engine is the page you see first, where you type in what you're looking for. So, if you open Chrome and type in, best chicken soup recipe, you're using Chrome as your browser and Google as your search engine. Now, do you need more than one browser? The short answer is, not usually, but it can be helpful. Here's why. Sometimes a website doesn't work well in one browser. Maybe a video won't play or a button won't load. That's when having a second browser installed can save you time and frustration. If something doesn't work in Safari, try it in Chrome. If Chrome is acting strange, open Firefox instead. Always download your web browser from a reputable vendor. It's like having a backup set of tools in your toolbox. Some people also like to use different browsers for different tasks. For example, one browser for work and another for personal use. This can help keep things organized and even improve privacy. Another benefit of trying different browsers is speed. Some browsers are faster than others, especially on older computers. Others use less memory, which means your computer runs more smoothly. And finally, some browsers give you more control over your privacy. Firefox and Brave, for example, are known for blocking trackers and giving you more control over your data. If privacy is important to you, it's worth exploring those options. So, to recap. A browser is not the internet. It's just the tool you use to get there. You don't need 5 of them, but having a second one can be helpful. And knowing which browser you're using can make troubleshooting and asking for help a whole lot easier. Next time you call your internet provider or ask a friend for help, you'll know exactly what to say. I'm using Chrome and this website won't load. That makes a huge difference and puts you in control. Thanks for watching How Tech. If this video cleared up some confusion, give it a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We're here to help you feel confident with technology, one simple step at a time. See you in the next video.